by to wait for someone to come down.
Yeah.
How many elevators are there?
8.
This is a pretty cool building.
What's the name of this building?
This is the Bank of America Tower, 110 North Wacker, Chicago. Look at this KONE Polaris model.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We'll wait. Got it. If you're
Good?
yeah.
Yep.
Okay. All righty. First off is the 3rd floor.
Okay.
All right. Anybody want to get off? No? Anybody going up? 55. 55. Give you guys some, if you can come up.
She's going up.
Okay.
Well, we got someone coming to come down.
Oh,
What floor are we going to now?
55.
Nice elevator.
Yeah, it is. This is humming around a lot.
I can hardly feel it.
This is as high as you go.
Yes. All right. Yeah. So just watch this. All right. You guys enjoy your view.
All right, thank you. Oh wow, look at this.
A little bit like compass.
Elevators are out of service.
TTS voice. Oh, that's what that is? That's the text-to-speech voice, but usually it doesn't.
Panel locked. Only exit 4 allowed. Show access card to the card reader. Elevators are out of service. Elevators are out of service.
111 North Wacker Drive in Chicago.
Elevators are out of service.
Hey Jay.
What?
That's a reflection even with the hood. Yeah, the modern glass has like more reflection, I think. Because it's layered and it's got. Is this it down?
This is a down.
Elevators are out of service.
I'm gonna stand over here.
You guys going down to one, right?
Yes.
Everybody's going to one?
Yeah.
Watch your step. Just wanted to make sure.
You've got cords coming today and tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, and I'm doing both days too, so it's okay.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
It's such a fun weekend to get into
It
buildings and
is.
see,
It is.
you know.
Yeah. It is. And the weather's nice too, so that helps a lot.
Oh yeah.
Did you guys see our balcony up there?
That's ridiculous.
Really cool, yeah.
Wow.
What's that floor going to be when it's all done?
Just office. It's going to be office space.
Okay.
It's going to be office space up there.
Yeah, they're so cool when they're not built out because you just get
Yeah.
the full deal, you know.
I usually sneak up at night.
Oh,
I see it at night. Yeah,
That's cool.
It's really,
That'd
really
be
nice.
amazing after
Nice.
dark, yeah. The city is so pretty at night,
Right.
yeah. Doors
And that high up too. It's nice.
Oh yeah, over on one, huh?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Be safe. A little bit of a line here now.
It's like a KONE.
Put your right.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Those turnstiles are made by KONE. Really pretty interesting.
Was what?
Those turnstiles are made by KONE.
Oh, they are?
Yeah. And I guess that is going to be it for me.
Have a great day.
Almost there. Say, some more or no? You good? Two?
Yeah, give me at least 2 minimum.
Two more?
HH is on the first floor, so you want me to put it in Independence? Yes, please. 10-4.
Third floor. Doors opening.
Starts on the right.
Elevator 8 4. Going up.
We just go up? Do we have to get off here?
Tour starts here. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I can take you upstairs.
Wait, what's on here?
Part of the tour.
amenities.
Yeah, conference amenities, different other rooms.
Maybe I'm wrong behind here as I come back down.
Fifth floor. Doors opening.
Thank you.
Like 300 Riverside, where's there?
Two, we're all good.
Doors opening.
They have a top floor, like a top patio that's at 52. That's sometimes you don't really feel it. That's why signature room is also cool. It's 95th floor. It's hot. It's really nice.
Wait, which building is it?
Right. It would be weird to be like 55 floors tall.
Like the guy that we saw yesterday.
Oh yeah, dude, I would do last time.
We were outside waiting for you at the grocery store. This guy, like, he must be like 7 feet. Huge airboat. Huge.
Doors opening.
Okay, it is now 4:30. Can we please have the revolving door?
Going down.
10-4.
Going down.
Doors are locked. 10-4. Can you get the hours out of here? The revolving doors on the north end are closed. No more. Just answer the
Doors opening.
Right. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. And exit to the right.
Okay, have a great day.